Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can send fax messages from your Oppo Reno8 T. So we start from opening the Play Store, then just type here fax app. You will find a lot of them in the Google Play Store. I'm always using that one. Now add the permissions to the camera, decide that you want to get a notification from this app, and add a permission to the files. Then choose the source of your document by clicking this plus and choose the cited option. You can choose something from the download files like a PDF, import the photo from your gallery or just take a photo. I will choose something from my gallery now. So select the desired photos or only one and click import if you're ready. Now you can add a shape to your document and go ahead. Now you can choose the filter for your photo to make your document more visible. You can also add a signature here, the text and the graffiti by these icons. If you are ready, click accept and type the number in this place. Choose the country from the list and optionally you can give a small note here. If you want to add more documents, maybe from the other source, click on the plus and do it like before. But if you want to send only this one, just click on this icon. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.